how to improve insulin sensitivity naturally. So to improve insulin sensitivity naturally, you have to focus on the cause, that is making the receptor of your cell resistant to the physiological action of insulin, and it is chronic low-grade inflammation. Now this arises mostly because of our lifestyle, like poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercise, chronically sleep deprived, you're not getting a good quality sleep, then chronic stress. All those things can cause low-grade inflammation and make the receptor of our cell resistant to the physiological action of insulin, and that can lead to development of insulin resistance. So the number one thing in correcting this is losing body fat. Losing body fat is a great way to bring down inflammation and thereby improve insulin sensitivity. Now your fat cells store a lot of toxins and pro-inflammatory cells because most of the toxins are fat soluble. So losing body fat is a great way to detoxify your body and bring down inflammation inside your body and improve insulin sensitivity. Now you can get rid of excess fat by exercising. Exercising is a great way to improve insulin sensitivity, especially resistance training and aerobic exercises. When they are combined, they yield a greater result in improving insulin sensitivity. So exercise, even brisk walking, can help you a lot. Then avoiding refined sugar, refined carbs, unhealthy fat, all those things, junk food. And one of the best things to bring down inflammation and thereby improve insulin sensitivity is doing fasting. So I highly advocate this thing, that is intermittent fasting. This can greatly bring down inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Next thing that you have to address is stress. So get a good quality sleep. Sleep is very, very important. Sleep anywhere between 7 to 8 hours of high quality sleep, deep sleep. Then engaging in meditation, yoga, anything that calms you, that brings down your high cortisol is highly advocated. So you have to address this condition, stress. Then nutrition, this is very, very important, and especially the role of certain trace minerals like chromium. Chromium is extremely important because gate. So suppose this is your cell and these are the insulin receptors, these are two gates. So for binding of insulin to insulin receptors, you need chromium, and for opening this gate you need chromium. So chromium is extremely important to bring down inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Next thing that is seen is lack of vitamin D can cause inflammation and predispose you to get insulin resistance. So those who are not getting enough sunlight or those who have deficiency of vitamin D are more likely to develop insulin resistance. So including vitamin D is highly, highly advocated. So for those who are trying to correct this or improve this, I highly recommend to include a supplement for improving insulin sensitivity. Then to bring down inflammation, fish oil is extremely good. Fish oil is also going to bring down inflammation and thereby improve insulin sensitivity. Then there are things that you have to do for your nervous system, because your nervous system is extremely important in this whole pathology, because you want your nervous system to work properly for proper secretion of insulin. And the two important things that improve the functioning of your nervous system are potassium and magnesium. So these are highly recommended. So eat a lot of green leafy vegetables, healthy nuts and seeds, and get enough potassium and magnesium in your diet. Then inflammation inside your body can also be due to certain underlying medical condition. So it is recommended to correct those underlying medical condition that will help you in overcoming insulin resistance. Primary things that you can do to improve insulin sensitivity. Then there are certain secondary things that will also help you, like adding certain things like apple cider vinegar, then cinnamon, then including certain anti-inflammatory agents like turmeric, garlic, ginger. All those are going to bring down inflammation inside your body and thereby improve insulin sensitivity. I will recommend you to first focus on the primary things to improve insulin sensitivity, like diet, exercise, then managing stress, getting good quality sleep, then getting enough sunlight, and then focus on the secondary things. Like if you're not getting enough sunlight, consider taking a vitamin D3 supplement, or you can consider also taking a chromium picolinate supplement. Then you can take apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and try to include more anti-inflammatory foods in your diet.